Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim Heartopia Twitch drops. So you're going to go to heartopia.exe.com / drop event, and then you're just going to log in using your Heartopia account. Then you're going to sign in with Twitch here. So you're going to connect your account. So I'm just going to authorize this, and then press confirm. And basically, you will need to watch streamers that are kind of like that have like the drops for Heartopia. So let's go to Twitch. So I will just search for Heartopia here, and let's see. Usually they have like drops on their like titles. Oh, so this one has one. So basically you have to watch them for a few like minutes up till a few hours, I think. So here, if you watch 15 minutes, you'll get the fluorite. Watch 30 minutes, you get you get fluorite, apple, and milk. And then watch 30 minutes, you get the rare oak, 2 perfume, 2 fish jerky. And then for 1 hour, you get 15 timbers, 6 toolkits, and 5 wishing stars. So you just have to watch them for a few minutes up to an hour. So I will do that and I'll be right back to show you how to like actually claim it. So I did switch streams because the other streamer was finished with streaming. So just go to notifications and you're going to go to your inventory, and then you're just going to select claim now. Then you are going to go to Heartopia and you will see the reward in your mailbox. So here I'm just going to go to my phone, go to mailbox, and here's where you can claim everything, and you'll see it here. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!